Hi guys, my name is Isha and I'll be presenting on lab-grown meat made by Eachus. So Eachus is a San Francisco startup company. They're also the creator of the Just Egg plant-based egg product, which you guys may have seen in your grocery stores. Right now they're in the process of selling their lab-grown meat as a product to the public and have already been given regulatory approval as of December 2nd of 2020 by the Singapore Food Agency, or the SFA. They've also partnered up with the restaurant 1880 in Singapore, which will be selling their chicken nuggets. So how does this work? Well, the meat is made from animal cells. They first identify a cell from the chicken and provide it with the nutrients it needs to grow and multiply. So they give it amino acids, carbohydrates, fats, etc. They then use a bioreactor, which is a machinery usually used for growing organisms like yeast or animal cells in a controlled environment, and this allows it to grow at a rapid rate. So the chicken takes around 14 days to be made, which is much faster than the traditional method, which takes about 45 days. The whole process is somewhat similar to culturing beer. As for the benefits, there are a lot of them for lab-grown meat over the traditional method, and those of you in apes may find this familiar. One of them being that more and more people are searching for alternatives to meat, which are cleaner and more ethical. I know free-range cattle is an option, but one of the problems with that is overgrazing, which can lead to other problems like soil erosion, and this is not a problem with the lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat also reduces the probability of zoonotic diseases since the direct contact between the animal and human is eliminated. It's also 90% more carbon efficient than the traditional method. And apparently, according to the CEO of Eachus, the grown meat has the same flavor and texture of chicken. So if you ever get a chance to eat it, you won't have to worry about it tasting weird or having a weird texture. Now on to the concerns. One of them being that it's very expensive. It has very high production costs and takes around $400 to $2,000 to make just 2.2 pounds of the lab-grown meat. However, this company, Eachus, is selling it at the same cost as premium chicken. And as time goes on, the price could be going down as they continue developing their ways of creating the lab-grown meat. Another concern could be that a lot of people may be uncomfortable with eating the lab-grown meat since it's a very new option. So what do you guys think? Would you try it? I've also linked a video to an interview with Josh Tetrick, a CEO of Eatjust, if you want to check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. Thank you.